actually looking forward to this year because I think we're probably going to set a record for 2-year participants. I know there's at least 17 of us that are going to be here.
I'm really excited. I haven't been to a convention since 2018, so even before COVID, I haven't seen too many people, so I'm really excited to reconnect with people that I have met and also meet a ton more people, especially for me. I'm transitioning from Division 1 to Division 2, so.
You can over-communicate. Yeah, they might get annoyed a little bit, but they're going to be a lot more annoyed and irritated if they miss something they could have done.
Jump in. Jump in with full feet, right? We don't need you half in, half out.
An adjustment for me from on-campus in-game tweeting to conference office in-game tweeting was I'm not going to tweet every goal. And so that